Hello everyone, this is Helen here from the Coffee Apple, and as I'm sure you'll agree, this is a beautiful little instrument. The quality is fantastic. Now, just to give you a bit of an idea as to what it sounds like, there you go. And what child isn't going to love playing with this? Now, if you've got any questions at all, please feel free to find us on Facebook or drop us an email, but I'm sure you won't have any problems with these. Now, just a little note, given the size of these balls, they are recommended for children over the age of 3, only because we don't want the little ones chewing and sucking on them, and we certainly wouldn't want them to come off in any mouth. So it is for the over 3 range, but look, I can just imagine them dancing around with them in their hands right now, having a really great time. Anyway, I will catch you online. Bye.